How to activate Qwarta Home Credit. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to activate Qwarta Home Credit. You can get a 3% discount on each reload for all networks. Pay your bills in-app with 300 plus billers nationwide with no added fees. You'll be able to enjoy a 5% rebate for your payments via a QR scan. Choose any of your partner stores nationwide from our store locator. Approach our sales associate at the store to inquire about product installments and Qwarta. The sales associate will process your product installment application and present a Qwarta offer. Applications are subject to approval. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.